Experience ultimate sophistication with the VERTU-H1 Diamonds smartwatch. Indulge in the artistry of precision and elegance with the VERTU-H1 Diamonds smartwatch for men. This masterpiece features an aerospace-grade carbon fiber case paired with a sapphire crystal 1.85-inch display. It is more than a watch. It's a statement of refined taste and modern functionality. The sapphire crystal display, polished for clarity, offers unmatched durability and elegance. Its vivid visuals boast a high refresh rate and 271 ppi, delivering an exceptional viewing experience. From its corrosion-resistant FKM strap to its bespoke carbon fiber case, every element speaks to impeccable luxury. The VERTU-H1 is powered by a cutting-edge customized chip, offering seamless multitasking capabilities. Make calls, send messages, and stay connected with effortless precision. Compatible with Android, this intelligent timepiece ensures that style and functionality work together in harmony. Elevate your fitness regime with over 100 sport modes and real-time health monitoring, including heart rate and blood oxygen levels. Whether conquering mountains or racing through urban terrains, its IP68 waterproof design protects against the elements, keeping your adventures uninterrupted. Be it a gala dinner or outdoor exploration, the VERTU-H1 adapts to every scenario. Its advanced features and luxe finish enhance both your daily routine and special moments. This watch is not just an accessory, but a trusted companion in your journey to excellence. Take your place among the discerning few who appreciate timeless craftsmanship and cutting-edge innovation. Click the link in the description for unmatched style and elite functionality. Elevate your lifestyle with the VERTU-H1 Diamonds smartwatch today.